Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. So today I'm back with the other interview question. So guys, today we have a table. This is a very small table, and this is a very beginner level question. So I'm targeting the video to the all the beginners who are just trying hard to learn the SQL. Okay. So this is the table. We have three columns: product ID, price, country. Okay. So this is a table called input, and the price and the country and the products we have. Okay. So what we want this type of output. All right. So we want a distinct value of each product ID and different columns in India, US, China. Okay, as these are the values, but now I want to convert into the column headers. Okay, so I'll create another columns and we'll try to figure out how to put those values into those columns. Okay, so for that, whatever we have a scenario like this, like we want to create extra column or additional column, so we have a solution for that. We always used case statement for that. Okay, so let's do that. So first of all, we will extract the columns, like what columns we want, product ID. Now what we want, we'll write the statement. Okay, so we'll have case when. So whenever we write the case statement, so case, start with the case, then when, and what is the condition? The condition is like, if a country is India, if our country is India, then price. Okay, so if the country is India, then whatever the value in front of price, please put this value into this. Okay, and as, yeah. Okay, so as means the value of this column would be India, the header of this column would be India. Okay, all right. So what we want three columns for each country. So we will write two more case statements. Okay, right. One more case. So one for US. Okay, and one for China. All right. So let's run this. All right. So what we want? We want three columns: India, US, China. But our output is slightly different. Our output has four rows, but this output has two rows. So what we can do here is we have to remove these null values. Okay. So what we can do here is, let's create the CD. All right. All right. Select product from CTE. Okay. Now put product ID and use sum statements. Sum India. Okay. So this is a very long version I'm demonstrating you. So after this query, I'll show you another version which is quite shorter. Okay. So I'll tell you both ways, the longer one and the shorter one. Okay. So this is the for US, and now this is for the China. Okay. Now what we'll use the group by. We'll group these values 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay. Group by product ID. All right. Perfect. So now we have null values. We want to eliminate these null value with the zero. Okay, so we have zero in our original output, but in this output we have null value. So what we can do here, we use is null. Is null. This is our parameters, and now this is the replacement value. If what we want to with. Okay, so now the value is zero, then zero. Okay, null, zero, then zero. Okay, all right. Now let's run this. Perfect. Now write, give the column names India and US and China. Okay, run again. Perfect. Now we have same output. Okay, India, US, China. We have three columns, new columns. Okay, so now we have create CTE. Then inside the CTE we have whole query. Now again we created the group by. So now we have another way to do it. So just simply like from input table and like product ID. Okay. So now what we're gonna do here is we'll write case statement. We'll definitely write case statement. Okay. So let's copy all the case statement and paste it here. Okay. Now what we're gonna do here is we'll put some statement in the case statement. Okay. Because after that we don't need to use some function, and we'll use some function inside the case statement. Okay. So that's how it goes. Okay. So let's run this and group by for product ID. So remember, whenever you use the uh, sum function or aggregate, any aggregate function, use always group by. Okay. So as you can see, this is the null. So now what we can do here is we'll use is null, same as above. Okay. Is null and bracket now 0. Okay. Sorry. Run this. Oops. Perfect. Is null. Null 0 is null. Okay. And 0. Perfect. So these are the two ways so that we can generate the same output. All right. So guys, this is it for today. And if you have any question, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. So this is a very beginner level question, and please put your comments, whatever you have any doubt. Okay. So thank you so much for your time, and keep learning.